Welcome back to MacPhee Ford. Today we'll be looking at this brand new 2022 Ford F-350. This particular F-350 is an XLT model, finished in Oxford white. This is the single rear wheel version. There's also a dually version. Again, we do have the single rear wheel version here. Taking a walk around the outside of this F-350, we have these halogen headlights here, standard on the XLT model. We also do have the chrome accented front end here, which does include the chrome grille. This was the chrome front bumper here. You also get some nice exposed tow hooks down there at the bottom, and the Super Duty badge there on the hood. We do have the optional roof clearance lights. As you can maybe see on the roof there, we do have the clearance lights up there. And looking at the wheel and tire setup here, standard on the XLT model, we do have these 18-inch aluminum wheels. It is wrapped in an LT 275/65 all-terrain tire. This is the standard wheel for the XLT model with the 18-inch wheels. There's your XLT badge there with the F-350. And also standard on the Super Duty models is the towing mirror. So it has the side marker lights. It also is a dual convex mirror. So you have your towing mirror, and it does extend as well as fold. We do have the diesel engine. So you have your PowerStroke diesel badge there on the side. We do have the optional black platform running boards. And this particular truck is the Super Crew model, so it is the full four-door with the 6 3/4 bed. And we do have four-wheel drive, so you do have your 4x4 sticker there on the back. And coming around to the back end here, we do have the blind spot radar module actually integrated in the back portion there of the taillight. Nice Super Duty badge there stamped right in the middle of the tailgate, and also the chrome rear bumper, again to match the front. You also have your trailer hitch receiver back here with your adapter. So it includes the 4 and 7 pin connectors. You also have your rear view camera right there. Open up the tailgate here, we do have an aftermarket spray and bed liner. We do have the fifth wheel gooseneck prep package, so it does include the mounts for the fifth wheel and also the gooseneck ball there in the middle. And you also have your auxiliary inputs there for your 7 pin connector. Multiple tie down points back there as well. And stepping inside of this F-350 standard on the XLT model, we do have the medium earth gray seating in here. This is a very heavy duty rugged cloth here. And we do have the optional 8-way power adjustable driver's seat. It is the console version here, so you can get a bench seat, but this is the console sort of version here, which includes the bucket seats. Here on the door panel, we have some nice sort of leather-like sort of vinyl material here on your armrest. Nice soft touch material. You also have your power windows, power mirrors, and your power locks. The XLT does come standard with the power equipment group, so you have all of your power options there. Lots and lots of storage in the door. You also have your automatic headlight controls and also the foot activated parking brake there as well. Climbing inside here of this F-350, you just get Ford's standard switchblade key, although you can option in a remote start system, but this particular truck does not have that. So as I mentioned a little bit earlier here, we do have the diesel engine, 6.7 liter PowerStroke turbo diesel. That's a V8, and that is paired to the 10-speed heavy-duty automatic transmission. And again, this truck is four-wheel drive. But starting here on the steering wheel, we do have controls here for your center gauge cluster screen there, and also your cruise control. We also have controls for your volume, also some of your voice and phone buttons there as well. And we can scroll through various things in this gauge cluster. And we start in your display mode, where you have your digital speedometer. Also have your engine information, transmission temperature, seatbelt indicators, maintenance monitor, as well as your fuel range and the tire pressures. You also have your trip and fuel settings in there, your towing section, off-road status. You also have your settings in here as well, which includes your driver assistance features, such as your blind spot system, cross-traffic alert, pre-collision assist. So you got some safety features here in the F-350, which is nice, considering this is more of a lower-end truck here. But here in the middle, we do have Ford's Sync 3 8-inch touchscreen display. Starting in the home screen here, this will show your radio as well as your phone. Also have all your audio settings over here, which does include Sirius XM and Bluetooth. Also have all your phone settings in there. We have various apps like Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, and also other various settings in here as well. We do have Ford Best Connect, which does allow you to remote start your F-350 or any new Ford vehicle from your phone. Also have valet mode in there as well, or other vehicle settings in there. Now on top of the screen here, we do have your diesel engine brake, as you can turn that system on. There's also an automatic setting as well, so it'll do all the work for you. Your traction control and the hazard light button there. We do of course have the trailer brake controller, which is standard here. We also have your 4-wheel drive settings with the locking rear differential, so we can pull that knob out and it will activate the locking differential icon there in the gauge cluster. We have your climate control system down here, which does include heated mirrors. You also have your defrost right there, multiple USB inputs there. Lots of storage here. We actually slide this over, so you have sort of a dual cup holder system there. Nice soft touch center console. Lots and lots of storage there. You also have an inverter outlet here with your 110 volt. So it's a dual glove box, and also some additional storage on top of the dash. And this particular truck does have the optional Upfitter switches, which is also optional on these Super Duties as well. And looking into the rear seat here of this F-350, again standard on the XLT model, we do have the medium earth gray seating back here. Very, very comfortable seat. We can also fold these up, so we can get a nice flat surface back here. We do have the optional lockable rear storage, so you can fold the system fully flat. You have a sort of a bunch of mechanisms there, and it will fold fully flat here, so you can have a nice flat surface. We also have some additional storage on there as well. Fold this back down here. We do have more outlets back here, another inverter outlet, as well as more USB connectors, 12 volt, and then also your climate vents, some cup holders. And of course, being the Super Crew model, we have lots and lots of space back here as well. But unfortunately, this particular F-350 is a sold unit. But if you're interested in getting one just like this, feel free to give us a call or visit MacPhee4.com. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next video.